Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to only allow your contacts to see your profile photos in Telegram on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your PC and ensure that you are logged in. Step 2. Locate the three lines icon positioned at the top left corner of the screen. Click on it to access the menu. Step 3. Within the menu, find and select Settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security. Step 5. Scroll down and click on Phone Number. Step 6. You will find the option Who can see my profile photos? Tap on the circle next to My Contacts to turn it blue. Step 7. Finally, click on Save to apply the changes. And there you have it. You have successfully configured your Telegram settings to only allow your contacts to see your profile photos on your PC. By enabling this option, you can ensure that only your trusted contacts have access to your profile photos, maintaining your privacy and security. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one.